Hey everyone, what's up? Good morning, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Home Alone powered by Cardination Entertainment. So for today guys, hahanap tayo ng kuhol guys. Kuhol, yung snail in the rice. You know yung snail in the rice guys, yung kumakain ng shell that basta yung shell ba nga kumakain ng rice. Yan, dami dito guys. Ayun, dami dito. Guys, may nakita akong kuhol guys, oh. See? Ito yung kumakain ng rice, guys. Ayun. This is the shell that the one who eat the rice. You know, when you if you plant rice, and this one is a lot. Dami guys, oh. Muna siya gitawag og kuol. Kuol mo na kita sa kuol. Meron din to sa dry land, guys. Meron din to sa sa tubig. Meron din to sa tubig. Si dami dito, see? See? A lot of them guys, see? A lot of them here, see? Ito yung kumakain ng rice. Ayun. They eat the rice. If may tanim kang rice guys, kumakain sila nito. So it's very hard for us if may may tanim ng rice and kailangan i-remove sila. Kasi once nandito sila, he will attack the rice and the rice will finish. See? Dami guys, oh. Dami, oh. Dami na yan, oh. Dami guys. You can see them, a lot of them. They are in the rice field. So it's very common. It's very common in the rice field. These things is very common in the rice field. So there are big one. See guys, so big one. They said that it can be eaten, but we didn't try. Wala ko kasulay kung makaon ba ni siya. Pero I didn't even try if this one can be eaten, you know. But they said these things can be eaten. In other part of the country like Thailand, they eat it. Or in the other part of the countryside in the west part of the country. Ayan, si dami guys, oh. Dami na yan. May gagmay guys, oh, gagmay. See, there are big ones also here. You know? There are big ones also here. See, this one big. See, big one na, dami. Dami guys, no. Little throw of them. Hey, dami guys. Small one, small and big. Oh, see, they even each other. Look, I saw some floating there. See? I saw some more swimming around. Swimming. Uy. See? He's crawling in the water. I thought that is grasshopper. See guys, big one guys. Big one. For today guys,